Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you an outfit idea for sweetheart theme and dress to impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have joined dress to impress, and then first of all you can wear this hairstyle and then you can color it with this color. Okay, and then you're going to use this makeup style, and after that we're going to go to the top area right here, and then I'm going to wear this butterfly top. Okay, and then I'm going to color it with this pink. Okay, this is for the color code, and then grab this top as well and color it pink. Okay, you can use this color code. Alright, and now let's move to the skirt area, and then I'm going to wear the skirt and I'm going to color it with the same color. Alright, and now let's move to the shoes area. I'm going to wear this one and then I'm going to color it pink. Oops, sorry. Okay, and wear this boots. Okay, I'm just going to leave it like that, and then we're going to move to this area and wear this item. Okay, now let's move to the necklaces. Okay, I'm going to go to the necklaces here and then wear this necklaces. Okay, and then I'm going to go to this area and grab this item, and then I'm going to color it pink. Okay, for the first selection color it pink, and for the next selection color it this one, and for the third selection color it pink. Alright, and the last one I'm going to wear sock. Okay, this one. Okay, and the last item you need to wear is this eyeglasses. Okay, then we're going to change the toggle to type 2 on hat. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.